Make every drive an all-inclusive trip in a different kind of social space. Remote engine start with intelligent climate control anticipates your arrival and helps bring the cabin to a comfortable temperature before you even step inside. It can warm up on a chilly night with defrosted windows and a heated steering wheel, or cool off on a hot day. And if you left the climate-controlled seats on, they'll turn back up too. Driver's memory system knows just how you like your setup. Your seating, steering wheel, and mirrors in just the right place. Adjust ambient cabin lighting right from your steering wheel. The expanded panoramic moonroof really opens things up for discussion. Unique trim finish, leather-appointed seats, and a gorgeous, intuitively simple dash. A sculptural landscape meant to be enjoyed in good company. Zero-gravity front and rear seats mean more comfort on longer drives. And reclining rear seats are just as premium as up front, with plenty of legroom. So when you're up for a good time, everyone is on board. Up to nearly 70 cubic feet of rear cargo space and a seamless way to access it, with the push of a button, the touch of a lever, so you can bring important things and important people. Nissan, innovation that excites.